On this ride-along, a woman shows where she hides the Coca-Cola. An officer acts all casual, and another gives a smirk. On November 27th, an officer was conducting traffic enforcement on Veterans Boulevard in Port Charlotte, Florida. She clocked a Buick going 73 in a 45 and pulled the vehicle over.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Deputy Weiss with the Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today is 73 and a 45.
Okay, yeah.
Where are we going?
73?
Yeah, in a 45.
I don't, that's fine, you can...
Okay,
I don't think I was driving that fast, but
Okay.
I am trying to find my licensure.
Okay. Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Where are we coming from today?
I have my mac and cheese on the floor, like I'm just trying to get to family dinner. That's all I'm doing.
The officer would later write in her report that after speaking with the woman, she could smell an odor consistent with an alcoholic beverage coming from her breath.
Have you had any alcohol today?
No.
Okay, any reason why I can smell alcohol coming from you?
No, no.
What's in that cup?
This is just like an old Diet Pepsi,
Okay.
and that's it.
There's no alcohol? You've had no alcohol
ma'am.
today?
No, ma'am.
Alright, hang tight, I'll be back shortly.
Despite the woman's denial that she had consumed any alcoholic drinks, the officer would decide to investigate further.
Do me a favor and step out, okay?
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
Walk to the back of your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
I'll explain everything back to you here. Alright, listen. I don't want you between vehicles, so let's come over here, okay? I can smell an odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from you, okay?
Okay.
I'm trained in this stuff, okay? So, when I ask you if you've had alcohol, I'm just expecting honesty, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's it, alright? Your speed is egregious. You're 73 and a 45. Listen to me.
Let me cruise control.
Okay,
so
let me talk, okay?
Okay.
You came around that corner back there at 73 miles an hour. And then you saw me, you smashed your brakes, and then you sped right back up. Okay, so you're slurred speeching to me, okay, right now.
I don't have slurred speeching.
Okay, well, you do. I can hear it when you talk, okay?
Okay.
That's where we're at right now, okay? So I'm a little concerned about your driving pattern, okay? Your speed, okay? The way that you abruptly stopped right here and then you threw your car in reverse, I was concerned that you were going to back into me.
I didn't put my car in
Okay, I'm
reverse.
not
You have
gonna-
it on body camera, so you
I
can
have
say that all you
everything
want.
on
Okay,
camera.
that's fine, okay.
I'm not going to argue with you, okay?
Looking at the footage, there was a brief moment when her reverse lights did come on.
Okay.
That's not what we're here to do.
Yes.
What we're here to do is determine whether or not you're too impaired to be operating a motor vehicle. Because I believe you are under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
Okay, so that's where we're at.
Okay.
Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief you are too impaired to operate that motor vehicle? It's a yes or no question. It's a yes or no question.
Honestly, you can just. I don't know. I've already
Okay.
been through this before, and I know I'm not drinking.
I have to have a yes or
So,
no.
I mean, mac and cheese. Can you ask my sister if she can pick up my mac and cheese so at least the family can taste it?
It's a yes or no question. Let's focus on one
Okay.
thing at a time, okay?
Okay.
So, are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises to
Sure.
dispel my belief?
Yes,
okay.
absolutely.
What you're going to do right here is you're going to hang out right over here for me. Hang tight. Stand over here with that deputy, okay? Central traffic.
This is crazy. I baked a mac and cheese and everything, and for my first time this year, and I'm getting pulled over.
What, have you been drinking at all?
No, not at all.
You shouldn't have a problem.
Absolutely. Okay.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. You're saying that because no matter either way, like if I take this test or not, you're still gonna say, "Oh, she's drinking." You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so I'm damned even if I do, even if I don't.
No, so if you refuse, what she'll do is she'll go by what she's observed so far.
Yeah.
Which can be good or bad. If you do the field sobriety exercises, then
But it's like if you do these, I've watched so many TikToks. Like if you do these, you're going to jail regardless. You know.
I disagree with that 100%.
For one time I cooked in my life, like I made a good mac and cheese, and I just wanted my family to taste it. Like that's it. It's sitting right there in my front seat.
I wouldn't worry about it.
The psychology behind these statements is likely part deflection and part minimization. Suspects often try to move attention away from their own behavior to other things, like TikTok, police policies, and mac and cheese. Saying everyone gets arrested can also serve as a way to minimize the test's legitimacy, so any poor performance is devalued.
All right, Caleb. So the way that these work, okay, my DUI investigations start the same way every single time. I have to ask you a series of questions, and then I will run you through the standardized field sobriety exercises. If you're not to the point where you're impaired, you'll be on your way. Simple as that. I don't
say that, but you're arresting me regardless. So
no, I don't.
That's what I was just explaining to him.
I don't arrest people if they're not under the influence of alcohol. Okay. I'm not. That's not how this works. Okay. It's based on your performance of everything, and then we go from there. If you're above what I believe you are, then you go to jail. If you don't, then we go from there.
So you're just saying that you're taking me to jail whether I do this or not?
No. If you refuse,
I'm not refusing.
Let me explain,
I'm not
okay?
refusing.
I asked you to do field sobriety exercises. You agreed, okay? What happens if you refuse to do the field sobriety exercises or complete them is I ask you again, okay? If you say no or you don't complete the tasks, then I have to make an arrest decision based on my evidence that I have at hand, okay, which would be the speeding, your slurred speech, things of that nature, okay? And
so you're taking me to jail
I did not say that.
regardless.
No, we can't just take you to jail regardless. That's not how this works.
Okay.
Okay?
I just feel like if you're having me pulled over, like I have mac and cheese in the car, like this is my first year cooking, and like oh my gosh, okay.
And if you complete everything and you're not to the point where you're impaired, then you go on your way with your mac and cheese. Okay?
I'm just not.
I wouldn't listen. We're not out here to take. My job is not to take people to jail. My job is to make sure people are not impaired operating a motor vehicle. Okay.
I just have 2 kids, and like
Okay, I get it. I understand where you're coming from.
I do apologize.
Just let me start this, and then if you have any questions, don't hesitate to stop me. Ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. I'll answer them to the best of my ability for you. Okay. Are you sick or injured?
No.
Do you wear contacts or glasses?
I wear contacts.
You wear contacts? Okay.
And I've had these in for like almost 30 days, so they're super dry. I'm just saying that in general.
Would you mind holding that for me? Thank you.
You're taking me to jail anyway, so don't you just want to do it now? Like,
okay, listen to me.
I just feel like either way,
no, that's not how this works. I have done numerous DUI investigations, and I haven't taken everybody to jail on DUI investigations, okay? Because there are some times that you are not to the point where you shouldn't be operating a motor vehicle, okay?
I just feel so sad because I tried to...
Listen, you tried to what?
I wanted to make mac and cheese for my family.
You are hung up on this mac and cheese.
I know, because
it's
I don't know how to cook, and it's my first time cooking.
Listen to
so
me.
I just feel so
and
sad.
if everything goes well and you perform exercises and you don't meet that threshold, you go on your way, like I explained to you, okay?
A prosecutor could actually use the woman's undue focus on her mac and cheese in court, as it suggests a potentially clouded mental state consistent with intoxication.
So for this exercise, all I'm going to have you do, stand with your feet together, your arms are going to be down by your side, okay? I'm going to show you the tip. So the light doesn't work, so I'm probably actually going to use my pen.
Even if you use your light, you're still going to be like, oh.
No, this is exercises. This is what I'm trained in, okay? I can't make... So the first exercise is horizontal gaze nystagmus. That means I'm going to check your eyes. Okay, I can't make your eyes do anything.
Yeah.
You're just going to follow.
I get it, but I know like my contacts are dry, so either way, I know you're already taking me to jail. So that's what I'm saying.
Why do you think you know that?
Because you're already having me pulled over.
Yeah, I pulled you over because you're speeding. That's the initial stop reason. Okay.
There's 5 cops here at this point. For what?
They're here because they're all my backup, okay? That's it. They're
all right.
You listen to me. You need to focus on me. Focus on what listen to me.
Focus on you.
Focus on me. Don't focus on them. Focus on what I have going on.
It's hard not to when there's 15 males coming up to me.
And what about me? I'm a female.
But you work for them.
Okay.
Okay, so
feet together, arms by your side, okay?
The first test would be completed, but not without some issues.
Over here.
I'm looking over there.
Relax. You need to take.
But I'm looking over there, and you're telling me I'm not looking over there.
Because you're not looking over here.
How am I not looking over there?
You're looking. So you're not looking at the stimulus, the tip of my pen. Okay.
I am.
Now you are.
I've been doing that.
Keep looking at it.
Am I following it?
You are. Keep doing what you're doing.
That's what I've been doing.
Don't move your head.
Once that test was finished, the woman started to express her concerns about the investigation once again.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. And the whole time I was following the tip of that pen, and you said I wasn't.
Relax. Okay, I'm not.
Trying to, but you told me I wasn't following the pen.
Because you weren't.
And I was. Okay.
Okay. Come down.
So then, if you're gonna arrest me
Haley,
then.
Stop.
No, because
I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt. This is not a back and forth This is not a back and forth situation.
You
You're
understand?
either going
This
to-
is everything that she's
Everything
doing.
I totally get it.
Okay,
I totally
so she's
get
not
it.
going to hem me up on something.
I'm not trying. Listen to me. I can't make your eyes do anything that they're
Okay.
not going to do on their own. Okay?
So if you already have probable cause, then wouldn't you
I
take me to jail now?
I have to let you get through the entire exercises. That's part of the DUI investigation.
For you just to take me to jail?
We're not there yet.
Okay, then.
So relax. Okay? Come here. See this white line right here?
Yes.
This one right here. Step down for me. Are you comfortable walking in those shoes?
I
I ask everybody.
That's fine.
Okay.
But,
Put your left foot on this line. Right foot directly in front, touching heel to toe, just like this. Arms down by your side.
I even like
List-
I am not
okay.
gonna be able to do this.
Why?
Cause
Okay.
can I take my shoes off?
Sure.
You're just gonna just take me to jail. Like
Okay.
whatever you have to do. Like
I'm
this is
trying to
crazy.
let you complete
Try
the
to give you the
exercises.
benefit of
This
the doubt.
is my job, okay?
Okay.
Are you going to do it with your shoes on or off?
Can I take them
You can
off,
take them off. You
please?
can put them up there or put them wherever you want.
I'll just put them.
That's fine. Like I said, okay, left foot on this line right here. Right foot touching heel to toe directly in front, okay? Maintain that position till I give you further instructions. Don't start yet.
Okay.
Don't-
I've already had a DUI, so like that's what I'm saying. Like if you, I will do this, but it's like you already want to take me to jail.
That's-
like so.
If I stopped you for speeding, okay? That's why I stopped you, okay?
I'm
Yeah,
just like
you need to relax, okay? You're way up here right now. We are down here.
I
You
just,
just need
like
to
I'm
chill
working
out.
so hard for my business,
Okay.
and I worked really hard to get
Okay.
where I'm at.
I got
and,
you.
I'm not trying to.
I'm not saying you're trying to do anything. I just want you to do the exercise I'm asking you to do because you wanted to, and then we go from there, okay?
But you saying that I wanted to, like you're a cop, you're obviously gonna get money off of this. So like,
What do you
even
mean?
even if I do this or not, it doesn't matter. Like you're still getting paid. You know what I mean?
Because
Okay,
I'm
everything
working.
goes by the evidence that is presented to her.
Okay, so it's super windy. You have to take that into consideration.
Okay.
So you want me to do my 9 steps on my?
Whenever you're ready, do you have any questions about the exercise?
I don't know if I want to do this. I
Okay.
want to call my mom.
Okay, well, that's not going to happen right now. We're in the middle of an investigation, okay? So are you going to perform the exercise I just had you, or just
Sure.
described to you?
Yes.
Okay, whenever you're ready, you can
The
begin.
right foot or left foot?
Remember the instructions, okay? I asked you if you had any questions. You said no.
I know, but now that we're
Left
talking
foot on
about
the line, right foot touching heel to toe directly in front.
The officer noted that the woman missed heel to toe on 6 steps and completed an improper turn.
Can I turn around?
Just like the instructions.
You said small steps. 1, 2.
During the next test, the one-leg stand, the woman would again bring up her concerns.
This is no fair. This is crazy. Just take me to jail. You guys are playing. You guys are having me standing out here doing all this stuff. Can you just take me to jail if you're taking me to jail, please?
Are you finishing that exercise? It's a
I
yes
stood
or no.
there for like 10 seconds,
Okay.
and my phone was completely straight. So like, I'm trying to ask you, like, you're the professional, the officer. So what is we doing? Are you taking me to jail?
You are not completing the exercises as I described it to you, as I provided you the instructions.
You said until you stop.
Until I tell you to stop or you reach 30 seconds.
Okay, so can I do it again? Like, what the heck? Can you give me a timer, please?
The timer is you counting to 30.
You didn't say that. You said
Your
stand on
30
your foot
seconds.
and you will tell me
Okay, I'm
when
not
you're
arguing
done.
with you anymore,
Okay,
Kaylee.
so are you taking me to
the
jail
next,
or
are you
not?
going to continue the exercises, yes or no?
What other exercises do I have to do?
There are more exercises that you
How
need
many?
to do. 3.
I've already done 3.
Yes, there's 3 more.
So,
Yes or no?
are you taking me to jail or not?
Are you going to complete the exercises?
Are you taking me to jail or not?
Yes or no?
Are you taking me to jail or not? You're already sitting
Yes
here judging me
or
when
no?
it's windy as I can't even hold on to a pole.
Okay, are you going to complete the exercises or not?
Are you taking me
It's
to
a
jail?
if you okay,
yes, I will complete that.
Then
Are
stop
you taking
arguing
me to jail?
with me, or you're going to be put in handcuffs right now. You
You
need to relax.
already are putting me in jail. You already know you're
Stand
doing
with
that.
your feet together, arms by your side.
The next 3 exercises were finger to nose, where the officer noted she did not touch the tip of her nose on passes 4 and 5, a modified Romberg, where she was supposed to count in her head to 30 seconds,
I got 30 seconds in my brain.
but stopped after 25 seconds, and a lack of convergence test, where no lack of convergence was observed. The officer would then head back to her car to put on some gloves for what came next.
slapping the handcuffs on?
Yes, ma'am. So you're going to be placed under arrest today for DUI, okay?
Okay. That's crazy.
Put your hands together like your brain, okay? There you go.
That's so crazy. I'm gonna sue all of y'all.
That's okay.
I passed every test. This is why exactly what I said. If you finna take me to jail, just take me to jail. Y'all already know what you was doing.
Anything on you that's going to poke crud stickers at me?
Nope. Yeah.
Walk over this side of my car.
Don't touch me.
Okay, well, I have to.
Don't.
Okay, you're not going to act like
I don't
this.
give a bitch. You already know you was taking me to jail.
The woman would let loose a string of expletives at this point, and the officer would write in a report that this behavior continued the entire ride to jail.
Spread your feet.
Put me in
Spread
the
your
car,
feet.
ho. I have sandals on, bitch, and a flat ass dress. You ain't finna find on me, you stupid ass bitch. You ain't shit. You is.
Traffic 13, she'll be 15.
You bitch.
Look that way.
Don't touch me. Don't talk to me. I don't give a. I ain't finna follow no instructions by you, bitch.
I'll do the toe shoot.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
She reeks of alcohol.
Have fun.
The officer charged her with DUI, resisting without violence, and refusal to submit to a breath test. She would eventually enter a plea of no contest to the charges. The court accepted her plea and would sentence her to 12 months probation, suspend her license for a year, require her to perform 50 hours of community service, pay a fine of $928, complete DUI school, and attend a victim impact panel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride along.